A volleyball set involves three bimicanical principles: projectile motion, balance and stability, and force summation. Three main points for balance and stability: center of gravity, line of gravity, and base of support. Center of gravity is the point which all parts of an object are equally balanced. So the center of gravity when preparing for a volleyball set is around your hips because your knees are bent. But as you execute the set and your body straightens, your center of gravity raises to around your chest. Base of support is the area between an object's point of contact with the ground. The larger the base of support, the more stable the object will be. So in a volleyball set, your legs are either spread shoulder width apart or one from the other. This gives you a bigger base of support than just standing there with your feet together, which makes you more unstable when executing a set. The line of gravity is a vertical line that travels through the center of gravity and to the ground. If the line of gravity goes out of the base of support, it makes you unstable. But if you execute the volleyball set properly, so beginning with your legs either shoulder width apart or one in front of the other, the line of gravity travels through the base of support, which makes you stable. Force summation has four main parts: move body parts from largest to smallest, correct sequence, correct timing, move as many body parts as possible. In a volleyball set, your force comes from your legs because in your preparation for this skill, you have bent legs. Then when you execute the skill, your legs straighten. The same thing happens with your arms. They start out bent, then straighten, so there is force coming from your arms and legs. Overall, a volleyball set doesn't have much force summation, but there is enough to get the ball high enough for the other person to play off. Projectile motion has three main parts: height of release, angle of release, and speed of release. The height of release determines the distance an object will travel. In a volleyball set, you want to get a lot of height, but then you need to get it in the right place for the other player. So to do this, you use a bit of force from the preparation for the height that is needed. Angle of release determines the height and distance the object will travel. It's the angle that the object is released. In a volleyball set, since you are wanting height and you need to get it to another player, you need about a 70 to 80 degree angle. Speed of release determines the distance an object will travel. In a volleyball set, you have to push the ball off your fingertips very quickly because it limits the force summation and it gives the ball more height.